Good day! Ngayon ay magsosolve tayo ng sum and product of roots of quadratic equations. Using the formula x equals negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where a, b, and c are the values from the general form of the quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. First, ide-derive natin yung formula na gagamitin para makuha yung sum and product ng roots of quadratic equation, and then gagamitin natin ito para mag-solve ng problems. Let's start. First, let's solve for the sum of roots. With the quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b positive negative b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Alam natin na ang value ng x, ito yung root, ay pwede na nating i-separate sa dalawang value. And yung dalawang value na yon ay tawagin nating x sub 1 tapos x sub 2. X sub 1 is equal to negative b. Dito tayo magre-refer ngayon. Plus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then dito sa x sub 2, kanina sa x sub 1 plus yung ginamit natin. Negative b plus b squared minus 4ac. So dito sa x sub 2, ang gagamitin natin ay minus. So merong negative b minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Since we are dealing with sum of roots, i-add natin yung x sub 1 tsaka x sub 2. So we have x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal. Ngayon, saan siya magiging equal? Well, we have values of x sub 1 and x sub 2. So, gawin natin, i-add natin yung value nila. Ito, saka ito. So, kung i-add natin yan, we have negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a plus, dito na tayo sa x sub 2, negative b minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now that we have this equation, x sub 1 plus x sub 2 equals negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a plus negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, notice na magkapareho sila ng denominator. So kung magkapareho sila ng denominator at addition yung operation natin, pwede nating pagsamahin yung numerator. So kung pagsasamahin natin yung numerator, we have negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac plus negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Makakopy na lang yung denominator kasi pareho naman sila. And notice na parang ang hirap i-analyze ng equation na to kasi meron tayong square root of b squared minus 4ac. So, ang gawin natin, mag-assign tayo ng variable. Let's say, dito, let's say that the square root of b squared minus 4ac is equal to k. Gawin lang natin siyang k. No? So, ito ay magiging k. Itong lahat ng value na yan. At ito rin ay magiging k. So, kung i-rewrite natin yung equation natin, we will have, so ito ay equal negative b plus k plus another negative b minus k all over 2a. Ngayon, since meron tayong addition ng mga variables dito, pagsamahin natin yung like terms. So, ang like terms dito, makikita natin, parehong may b. So, we have negative b plus negative b. And negative b plus negative b is equal to negative 2b. So, sulat ko na siya ng puti. So, meron ka negative 2b here sa numerator. And then, next, you have positive k and you have negative k. So, k minus k, makakancel yan. So, 0 na yan. Hindi na siya mag-a-appear sa numerator. All over 2a. Since meron kang 2 sa numerator at 2 sa denominator, makakancel yan. Negative b over a. So, kung mag-a-add ka pala ng roots ng quadratic equation, ang formula pala para doon ay, sulat natin, x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is actually equal to negative b over a. Next, let's derive product of roots. So, we have here x1 and x2 ulit, katulad dun sa sum of roots natin kanina. So, kung i-multiply natin yung x sub 1 tsaka x sub 2, so magiging ganyan siya, x sub 1 times x sub 2, and that is equal to the value of x sub 1, which is negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a multiplied by negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Ayan. So, imumultiply natin itong dalawa. Okay. Having that said, parang medyo complicated yung equation. Parang medyo mahaba. So, try natin na paikliin by letting, so let square root of b squared minus 4ac is equal to k. So, ang mangyayari, itong square root of b squared minus 4ac magiging k. Yan, magiging k sila. Katulad ng ginawa natin sa sum of roots. So, ang mangyayari, ito ngayon ay equal sa negative b plus k all over 2a times negative b minus k all over 2a. Ngayon, kapag nagmumultiply ka ng fraction or ng rational expression, imumultiply mo yung numerator, then imumultiply mo rin yung denominator. So, ang mangyayari dito, ito ngayon ay magiging equal sa negative b plus k times negative b minus k all over 2a times 2a. Okay. So, having that said, meron na tayong negative b plus k, tapos negative b minus k, all over 2a times 2a. Try natin isolve muna yung numerator. The numerator here, the quantity of negative b plus k times the quantity of negative b minus k, is a special product. Ang tawag sa special product na ito ay sum and difference of a binomial. So, sabi sa sum and difference of a binomial, kung meron kang, so, ito sulat ko lang, sum and difference of a binomial. So, sabi dito, sa identity na to, kung meron kang x plus y at imumultiply mo siya sa x minus y, ang magiging resulta nito ay x squared minus y squared. Okay. And notice na parehong identity yung nasa numerator natin. We have negative b plus k and negative b minus k. Magkaiba yung sign ng second terms. Katulad dito, magkaiba yung sign ng y. Dito positive, tas dito negative. Dito positive yung k, dito negative yung k. So what we can do here is square yung negative b muna. So i-square muna natin negative b minus yung square naman ng k. Ayan. So negative b quantity squared is equal to b squared And k, squaring k, will lead to k squared. So, yung numerator natin has a value of b squared minus k squared all over 2a times 2a. So, meron ka ngayon, sa numerator to b squared minus k squared. Sa denominator naman, so 2 times 2 is 4, tapos a times a is a squared. Ayan. So, meron kang b squared minus k squared all over 4a squared. Pero, take note ang value ng k ay square root of b squared minus 4ac. So, ano ang value na ngayon ng k squared? Okay, sulat natin dito sa gilid. Kung meron ka, if b squared minus 4ac is equal to k, kung i-square natin both sides of the equation, b squared minus 4ac is actually equal to k squared. Ngayon, if b squared minus 4ac is equal to k squared, so pwede mo ngayon i-substitute yung value ng k squared, which is b squared minus 4ac, dito sa equation na to. Try natin. So we have b squared minus k squared. So minus k squared, which is b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So, di-distribute natin yung minus sign dito sa loob ng parenthesis. So, magiging b squared minus b squared minus minus, so magiging plus yan, 4ac all over 4a squared. b squared minus b squared, sila ay makakancel. Ang matitira na lang ay 4ac over 4a squared. Makakancel yung 4 dahil meron sa numerator at denominator. Makakancel yung a, pero may matitirang a sa denominator since a squared siya, no? Ayan. So, meron ka ngayon natira na c over a. So, kapag minultiply mo pala yung roots ng quadratic equation, x sub 1 times x sub 2, yan pala ay equal sa c over a.